Hello, guys. So, we're at the Africa Technology Expo 2026. Today is the second day. Yesterday was the first day. Today is the second and the last day of the event. We're about to experience new startups, innovations, meet creators and different people from all over the continent. We're about to also experience new technologies, meet amazing people. And the goal here today for me especially is to network, meet as many people as I can, and have fun. So stick around with me. Let me show you around and take you through all that is going on. Let's go. Okay, guys, so the expo basically is divided into many different sections. I just walked inside the main building. So we have exhibitions, we have enterprise stages, we have um, meeting areas, we have speakers lounge, and lots more. So first off, we're gonna go to the exhibition so that you see all that is going on, the different startups that are out there to display whatever it is that they have going on, and we get to talk to some of them and see what's happening. Okay, guys, so behind me is the exhibition hall. Let's go in and take a look. So, guys, there's over 100 companies here, brands and startups that are all exhibiting, showing off their amazing products, their amazing services, what they have to offer, everything. There's just so many going on here. I'll probably show you around some of them, but I don't think I'll be able to go through all of them. So you probably just get snaps or clip shots of everything. All right, guys. So here I'm with.
My name is Ahmed from Meatbox here.
Okay, so guys, this is Ahmed from Meatbox. They have this really cool setup going on with lots of tech and lots of interesting products, and he's just gonna tell us a little about them. Hopefully, you guys can go check out their website, check out their page, and then see what's going on. So, Ahmed, what can you tell us about Meatbox?
So Meatbox is a company that offers video conferencing solutions. So we have various devices that enable you to have seamless meetings. Instead of people coming for their meetings with their independent laptop, all you need to do is come into the meeting room. We just use our video conferencing solution. One camera captures the whole room. So if you break what you actually go for, you have depending on the size of the meeting room and what you want to achieve, what's the goal. So this has inbuilt camera, inbuilt microphone, Windows speaker, and it also doubles down as a PC and also Windows. So in case you have just as an interactive screen with a white board, so you can just write and do this for educational purposes. So we have sound bars too. They have cameras embedded and
Okay, those are really interesting tech solutions right there that I think is going to benefit the corporate world in lots of ways. I definitely patronize them in what we have our
website is www.meatbox.ng. Right, and showroom is at Kingston in Ikoyi. That's our showroom. So just come check us out and see our
Alright guys, so whenever any of you comes down to Lagos, be sure to go check out Meatbox, check out the cool tech that they got going on. See you. All right, guys. So I'm here with Rita from LG at the LG stand in Africa Technology Expo, and they've got some really cool upgrades, modern home appliances. She's going to tell us a few about some of the things that they have going on here. So, hello, Rita.
Hello.
Yes. Can you please tell us what you have over here, some of your products? Can you please tell us what's going on?
Okay, so here is one of the amazing products that LG have here, and this right here is called the LG mode of refrigerator, and it has some amazing and fantastic features. One of the features is the LED lightings. This part of the refrigerator changes its light from time to time.
Okay.
So you can have over 160 color combinations from this refrigerator. Then this part is the instant view, the knock twice and see what you have inside. So this feature helps you to start actually having to open the refrigerator. Then another interesting part of this refrigerator is that it comes with a Bluetooth speaker. You can actually connect your phone and play music directly from your phone. So you see. Then another thing is the Hygiene Fresh Plus feature. The Hygiene Fresh Plus feature helps to eliminate bacteria from your fridge and gives it a fresh and nice smell. Then lastly, this fridge is an inverter refrigerator. It doesn't consume energy, it actually saves costs. Saves you cost on energy. The humidifier. The dehumidifier helps to trap excessive moisture in the air, like excessive water in the air, that could cause mold on your wall or on your clothes. So it also has the UV nano and ionizer, which helps you to be safe, get rid of germs in your space. Aside that, you can also use the dehumidifier to take away bad odor from your shoes. Yes, you can take away bad odor from your shoes. Sometimes when you wear your shoe for so long and you take it out, sometimes you get to get a very bad smell from your shoe. So with this humidifier, there is a hose you can connect to this humidifier right inside your shoe, just like it is here. The shoe dry. So for you to understand what I'm saying, this is the water in the tank of the humidifier. So this is the amount of water this humidifier has been able to trap ever since it has been on.
All right, Rita, thank you so much for walking us through some of your products. Guys, if any of you like what you see here, be sure to come down to the LG office in Lagos and pick up any of these cool, interesting gadgets. So I'm just at the bread stand. What you can see in my hand is some sort of currency that they have. So what you could do is you follow them on all social media and you for each account on social media that you follow, you get 1 USDT for it. But it's in fake currency actually. So for 1 USDT for each social media follow, and then at the end you combine how much you have, and they give it to you in this form of fake cash that you can use to go over there and claim some merchandise. So let's go and claim my own merchandise. Okay, guys, so these are some of the cool stuff that I won after taking part in the little task that you got to do when you go over to the Brit booth. You pick up some points, you pick up some tasks, and they'll give you some points that you can use to claim some of their cool branded items. So I was able to get a tote bag and a notebook.
All right, so behind me over there, guys, to my right is the speakers lounge. This is where all the speakers sit before their sessions start. So, one key interesting thing about Africa Technology Expo, especially for this year, is they have their full on mobile app, which is out there that you can download. So, if you're part of this event, you could download the app and you get to see everything about the event. So, you also find all the speakers that are taking part in this event, their names, where they come from, a bit of information about them, and you also see all the topics that they're going to be discussing. Okay, still on the mobile app, guys. Behind me is a meeting area where you could sit with other people and talk about business or collaborations, partnerships, and all that. So, how you request for these meetings is you could actually just download the ATE mobile app and you can see a list of companies or brands that will be here and you request a meeting with them. So, whenever you come to the event or while you're at the event, this area is where you sit, talk to them, and do business, which will ultimately lead to partnerships, which is one of the main goals of this event. Okay, guys, so this is the center stage of the Africa Technology Expo. This is where most of the speakers are going to be speaking from, right behind me. All the panel sessions, the discussions are going to happen here. So this is where all the guests, the participants are expected to come sit, and we have meaningful discussions around different topics that have to do with technology, AI, the future, and innovation. Okay, guys, so I'm inside the center stage, which is where the panel sessions happen. Right beside me here is Solomon, and He's the front engineer for Tribe, and he's currently working. Um, he's been on and on and on, trying to get Tribe on the road, trying to get the app ready for launch, so that when you guys start using Tribe, you're gonna know that yes, we put in the work to try and get this app to make it world class.
To anything they want, these stores will make that possible, right? So the more these stores embrace being online, so these stores are everywhere, right? But probably very a lot of manual systems, not set up to embrace the digital, future concept. So I like to always think about global in terms of different stakeholders we serve. So we not necessarily ask about brand. But I think it's important to talk about the customer side as well. So as a customer, you know, your data makes the use of the platform more seamless because you start to get more personalized recommendations. Your favorites are sort of top of mind when you go on the app.
Right, guys, hello, Akil here. It's currently 5 p.m. in Ikeja, Lagos, and I am still at the National Theatre where the Africa Technology Expo 2026 just took place. It's been a very eventful day. For me, the most exciting part of this whole event was that I was able to meet up my networking goals, which is one of the main reasons why I attended this year's Africa Technology Expo. I was able to meet other founders. I was able to meet senior executives. I was able to meet different people from different areas of the continent and the nation as well. So networking is a very key part of being in business and in technology, especially as a young founder and entrepreneur. So the last but not the least key event that's part of the Africa Technology Expo that is left is the Mixer, which is going to take part still in Lagos, somewhere in Ikoyi, and we will also go there. Although in the Mixer there's not going to be anything formal. It's just going to be a session where we network, have drinks, talk, and just ease off from the 2 days worth of events that has been going on in the Africa Technology Expo 2026. I'm definitely gonna do this again. I'm definitely gonna come to the next version of ATE, and I'm sure I'll see some of you that are watching this video right now. This has kind of been my first attempt at vlogging, trying to document my experience at ATE, but I'm not sure if I'm going to make more videos like this again. But if you think it was a good one and you enjoyed the experience, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to make more videos like this around tech events because I go to a lot of them all the time. So if you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below as to what you think if we should shoot more videos like this around different events. I'll see you in my next videos. This is Elwakil, and until then, peace.